I'm all set.
We're all set, Dad.
You're all set, Mitch.
Okay, you're all set.
We're all set.
Looks like you're all set.
Okay, Pete, I'm all set down here. You?
I just got off the phone with Hogan. We're all set for September.
Olivia and I were all set to take a holiday, travel through the Galapagos.
You are all set. I will see you tomorrow.
Okay. They're all set.
Anything off the trolley, dears?
No thanks. I'm all set.
I guarantee you fall. I'm all set.
Oh, I'm all set. I'm just going to use my speech from her first wedding. Or maybe her second.
Oh, yeah, just change the names.
Yeah.
I know that you're all set for this job tomorrow, but if you need an extra man,
You're in.
You're all set.
Can I do something else, Mama?
Get going.
I see you're all set.
Yeah, fine. Go ahead, laugh. Laugh your mane off. I'm gonna prove you wrong. Okay, we're all set. We're ready.
Kick ass.
Go. Right.
I thought you said you didn't have a church wedding.
We're all set to, but there was a complication.
Okay, we're all set.
Let her rip.